Good evening or morning or wherever you are in part of the world. I'm sorry for being late. I just came back from outside and I just took a bath. As you can tell, my hair is wet, and I'm really sorry for being late. But this week we're learning multiplications and strategy. Let's see for the participants. There is one, two, three, four of you. With 8, 10, and I can't afford to wait for any of you that are late. So I will continue on the class. And again, I'm sorry for being late again. I completely forgot the time and messed up my schedule. So, was multiplication. Multiplications are the following. It's glorified additions, groups of numbers, skip counting, and much, much more. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm probably also going to slightly extend this class by roughly 10 minutes due to the fact that I forgot of the class schedule and that's why I was behind. So I'm extending the time I lost. So multiplication strategies. They're also known as formulas of properties. Let's look into them. The first one we're learning is meaning. Well, it's not a word meaning. The first one is literally meaning. It's the fast way that 5 times 6, it's 5 groups of 16s. Add 16s 5 times together. And you get, well, 30. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 30. I mean, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. I'm sorry, I'm not in the right state of mind. That's 30. Now, sets, it's almost the exact same thing, but you can see it visually. See, it's 5 sets of 6, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30. And yes, if you can turn on your, uh, what's it called? Camera, then please turn the camera. Ah, yes, speak louder. Okay, wait. Just the volume settings. No, I don't know how you adjust the volume setting actually. Wait. Okay, I'll just speak louder. I am sorry if you couldn't hear me properly. Um, yeah. Hello, Daniel. And then, as I said, yes, but we're just trying it over. Same thing. Facsimile, this is memorization. 5 times 6 is 30, 4 times 7 is 42, 10 times 10 is 100, 12 plus 12 is 144. Hello, 你好. Okay, number one, just showing it visually. Very interesting. Nice soccer shirt, Daniel. And the last one's array. Let's say we have 16. We can fill it with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 unit squares, arrays. But honestly, the fastest way would just be going to the facts family and memorizing it. And everything can usually be broken down into ones, tens, or hundreds. Well, usually, so basically, you usually only have to memorize ones. This is a thing here. Move it away. But I don't know what that is. This place that. No, the window's still here. But I don't know what that is. Okay, let's continue on. See, this is 4 by 4. And it's the same thing as 2 by 8 multiplications. Yes. Now, let's go into practice first. Let me copy the link. Here, let me take this. And let's switch the screen to what people. So just want to make sure we know what we're talking about. And the first one is this one, count by equal groups. So would anyone be able to describe the models? How many groups of dots are there? Oh no, everyone can see the background. In this case, there is, well, let me move this. There is 3 groups of dots. Yes, 3 times 3 is 9. Amazing. This is just simple practice. Amazing. This one is the same. There's 3 groups of 2 dots. Brilliant. Now, Daniel, what would this one be? Right. It's 2 by 4, actually. 2 by 4, yes. Let's see, just look. Group dot equal, yes. Fast, speed. This will be 3 by 5, and so on. So now, let's go do this one. Yes. So let's go do this. Okay.
8.
Yes. Now, how about this one? Blow, Nathan. Wong.
15.
Amazing. How about this one?
10.
Yes. Memorization.
25. 25.
This should all be easy in speed.
5. 5.
Yes, speed, kids.
2. 2.
Yes. Oh no. Anyways,
Someone ripped this.
I'm gonna be back. Hold on, be right back. Yeah. Okay, now share screen. Boom. Shut. Shut. Shut.
10.
Yes, speed.
12. 12.
Yes.
5. 5. 15.
Wait. Let me go to
3.
Also, yes, you're 100% correct. This one is 3. But here, times table. Let's look at 12 by 12 times it. Oh no, I don't want to look at that. Look at this. Yes. So up here. As you see, this is everything you needed to know. It's very good to memorize. 1 by 1 is 1, 2 by 2 is 4.
It's on the table.
Yeah, it's a table. This is why it's excellent to memorize. So, well, technically you only need to know 10 by 10. It's definitely up to you now. And you want to know why? Let's move on to our next practice to show why. Let's look at this one. Oh no. Wait, this is the wrong one. I clicked the wrong one. Hold up. Did I choose the wrong one? I 100% chose the wrong one. Okay. How did I
8 times 31.
Yeah, I chose the wrong one and actually, this is the right one. Yes, this one's the right one. This one isn't the model one. Okay, so let's look at this. Because I go for the model. So what is this? It's 110 times 13, right? Right? What can we break this down? 11 times 13. I mean, if you simply know your math, 11 times 13 would just be 132. Not 132 on them. 140. Well, yeah, 143. That's 11 times 13 if you memorized it. But 11 times 13 can be broken down. Can't be broken down. So it's actually just 11 times 13 times 10, which is just 1430. And for this reason, it's incredibly important to also know what primes are multiplied against each other. Because let's take 2 primes, 19 and 7. Would anyone know off the top of their head? No, they would not. And that's where you break down numbers. Would I be able to find the model? Multiply. I found it. Okay, so this is where we show it. Okay, Ezra, let's do this. Multiplication. What is 40 times 20? Or 4 times 2 times 10 times 10?
80.
What's 40 times 2 then?
80.
So then what's 40 times 20?
20 times 20.
20 times 40, as here. 40 times 20.
Oh.
40.
400. 100.
400?
No, it's 800.
Yes. You can also see it as 2 times 8 times 10 times 10. So you just add 2 times 8 plus 2 zeros. Now what's 40 times 8? Does anyone know? What's 8 times 4 times 0? I mean times 10. Sure, you guys should know what 8 times 4.
8 times 4 equals 32, so it equals to 3,200.
3,200?
320. 320.
Yes. Okay, what about 20 times 4? We just did this here, 40 times 20, so then what's 20 times 4?
80.
Amazing. The last one? What about 8 times 4? We just did this with 40 times 8.
Oh, 4 times 8 is 16.
You have it here. You have 40 and 8, that's 320, so then what's 4 times 8?
40.
4 times 8 is 40.
320.
No.
32.
Yes, it's 32. 40 times 8. 40 is times 8 is 320. 4 times 8. You must remember your place values. We went over this in the first lesson. So then let's all add this all up together. What would the value be? 8. So let's look at the hundreds place as we go into the first lesson, which is why it's important. 8 plus 3 is 11. Oh no. Anyways, let's continue on. 2 plus 8 plus 3, that is also, that's not 11, that's 13. So what do we do when we add? We move up 1. So it's what equals 1, 2, 3. And in the ones place, the only one with ones place is 2. So then let's go. So then, would anyone be able to solve the yellow cube? What's the yellow cube?
It's 400.
400. Congratulations. But the teal cube. Anyone know what the teal cube is?
Huh?
The teal cube.
40.
240, yes. I call this teal. It looks teal to me. I don't know if you all call it some different color. What about this orange brown color? Square cube in.
The 1 times 10 equals 10.
Yes. Easy. 1 times 6?
1 times 6 is 6.
Yes. Okay, where's my eraser? My superpower?
Huh?
Yes. Where's this? Okay. So add. What's it?
The total area is.
We learned this in the first lesson. You add
656.
656? Yes. Yeah, 656.
624 46 4624不对，我这样子写。
I mean, if you wanted to do this fast,
不是，41乘以16，对吧？
对。
16得6， 4、6、24，对吧？然后再算1乘以1等于1。1乘以4等于4，等于656。对，因为你没有学过，没懂了吧？
你说这样子是非常好的。
space 再跟它还要再乘一遍，懂了吧？所以要放在 space 这儿。
A fast way to multiply, if you just look at this problem too, 41 times 16, 41's close to wait, let's put this here. 41's close to 40, so 40 times 16. Let me type. Yeah, 40 times 16. If you know, that's the same as 4 times 10 times 16, which is the same as 4 cubed, which is 64 times 10, so that's 640. But you're missing the 1, so you add 16. So it becomes 656, which is just a fast way to multiply if you know what you're doing. If you looked at it, 40 and 16. Basically, just learn and get your multiplication up so you know more what you're doing. Okay. Now, what about this? This one's actually
10 times 1.
Might be easier if I rewrite the problem.
200?
Wait, I have a question for you. Would you be able to solve this? 30 times 17 minus. This is the exact same as this. It's just rewritten. So that would be 3 times 17 times 10 minus 17. Is that easier to solve? Would you know how to solve this now? Would this be faster to solve than if you tried solving this? So in case none of you know, 30 times 17. 30 times 17. 3 times 17 is equal to 30 plus 21, so that's 51 times 10, so that's 510. But then we have an extra 17, so you subtract 17, which would be equal to 493. Yes?
Answer is 403.
The answer is 493. Just a sound. 更快的数学. It's more like faster math.
500就它。
500 what? Wait, did I do my math wrong? If you get 600? No, my math is right. Would you explain to me how you got 600? 怎么拿到600? 563. I have a question. How did you get 563? Because
493, that's my answer.
493 is the right answer. But here's the thing.
29 times 17.
What do you say?
29 times 17.
Well, let's actually multiply that then. 29 times 17, you say?
First, you use multiplication. 9 times 7.
9 times 7. Okay. Let me write it down. 29 times 17. 9 times 7 is 63, right?
Yes. And then 2 times 7 equals
20 times 7?
14. 2 times 7 equals 14.
So it's 140 there. Yes.
And then 14 plus 6 equals 20.
Wait. Honestly, did not catch what you said. I'm so sorry. We're talking about 20 times 10 or 9 times 10?
2 times 7.
2 times 7 is 14, yes.
And then 14 plus 6 equals to 20.
Yes.
And then
But here's the thing. What happened to the 10? Because it's 20 times 7, not 2 times 7. So if you added that, it would be 263. I mean, 203, not 20 or 23, as you want to say, right? Yeah, so even if we continue from that, let's just say that's 203, right?
9 times 17.
29 times 17, yes, I know. Okay, fine. You did times 7, so let's do it times 10. 20 times 10 is equal to 2,000. No, not 2,000, 200. Do you agree?
I know 20 times 7 equals 140.
Okay, so also 20 times 10 is 200, and 9 times 10 is 90, right?
Yes.
So let's add it. This will be equal to 290, right?
Yes.
So 290 plus 203 is how much?
$493.
Yes. But the answer is not 563, as you said, or whoever said that. So it seems more like you made addition error more than anything. But I guess, but that's all right. As you see, the answer is 493, not 563. Wait, oh, incomplete answer because I didn't fill this in. There you go. Now, this will be an easy question. Now, you say, how is this easy? It's 11 times 35. But anything times 35 is, anything times 11 is easy. If you modeled it, it would just be this plus 35, which is, so it's just 385.
50. Something like that.
This is how you model it, because anything times 11. So if we actually wrote it out, 35 times 11, 1 times 35 is 35, then you do multiplication, so it's 350, because it's 10 times 35, so that's 350, so it just becomes 385. So if you take this concept and you apply this to any number, say that's your number, right? Now, if you multiply this by 11, it's the same as this plus this number add a 0. Now that's not hard to calculate. So this is always a rule for anything times 11. And it's a really useful rule if you learn fast math, if you look at it. So this will be the exact same as this, so just add a 0. Now, if you did times 1, and this is actually true for anything that is consecutive ones, because then you just do this, add 2 zeros, and so on. So that's actually how you usually do this. We'll only stick with 11 for now, which will just be this plus this add a 0. Got it? Does everyone understand what I'm talking about and ranting about? Yes, no, maybe? I'm sorry, you don't understand my rant? Does my rant make sense? Useful rules in multiplication? Yes, maybe? I don't know if it made sense. I hope it makes sense.
Answer is 385.
Yes, I said yes. Amazing. Let me put my. Okay, I'm so sorry. I did not have a very good day. stay because I spent too much time talking. Alright? So the answer is indeed 385. Let me fill this out. I see 200 plus 50 plus 30 plus 5. That's 300 plus this is 80 and this is 5. Now, what about 53 times 36? There's no easy way to actually do this. Typically, you would actually have to work this out because 53 is prime and 36 is really only 6 squared. So this one you would multiply out, typically using something like this. Does anyone know? Anyone know the answer?
Answer is 1,908.
Wait, actually, wait, let me check. What'd you say? 1,000 what?
1,908.
Yes! This looks like a third place. That's what it looks like. No, that's a pretty funny drawing because it looks like this. Let's go. Yes! Whoever filled this in is absolutely correct. So let's plug that in. Wait. Hey. Let's erase this. And let's put the answer. Now, what would... Remember, there's an easy way to do this. You can simply round 69 to 70, multiply that by 32, and then subtract 32. Or you can also just, let me scroll. Do it by simply multiplying it out. way. 70 times 32 is equal to the same as 70 times 30 times 2. I mean, plus 70 times 2, which is equal to 211. Plus 140 minus 32, which is equal to 200.
2,208.
Wait.
The answer is 2,208.
2,208. Hold up. Can you repeat what you just said one more time? 2,208. You said that. That's correct. Wait. I forgot to fill it in. Again. There we go. Now, daily practice is finished, and so as a result of that, I will put up this for this time anyways. There you go. So, a break you have again for the roughly the next 5 minutes or so, probably, until I call not break. So you'll rest your brains, and then I will make your brains work hard again. Alright, let's do, first of all, let's stop sharing, and then let's go on. Let's do something easier first. Let's go with that. Where's my thing? More. Where do I share? Please, share. Share screen. There we go. Oh no, I don't want you here. I want this one. Okay, so we're going to start with something easier. So, let's read the problem. A soccer coach is making a college with pictures of a team, and the college is basically just, well, a board of images. Didn't know? There are 19 players on the team.
It's much too hard.
Too hard? Don't work it out. Let me finish. She's worked out she needs roughly 46 images altogether. Does this seem right? Well, let's estimate. 20 times 4 is 80, which means it's too low. Yes? No? Yes, no, maybe? No?
I mean, it's too low. It's too low. It's too low.
Yes. Alright. What about this one?
No, it's much too low.
Yes. But this one?
Much too high.
Alright. That's not correct. You know why? 200 times 6 is 1,200. So that's pretty close enough. And then you remember, 4 times 6 is 24. So this is actually the exact answer. Yeah, so roughly they're the same, as you see. 20 times 6 is 1. Okay. Box. The box. Oh no. Anyways, it's okay. But this one. Well, if you know what the answer is, it's close to 70 times 8.
No, it's much too low.
Alright, let's check. Oh no, it's too high. 8 times 70 is 560. So, yeah. 806 is too high. What about this one?
think it's too high.
Read.
Too high.
Yes. That's correct now.
我猜这个832 216，对的，110。Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Alright, let's check.
Low or yes?
Nope. It's yes. What about this one?
It's too much high.
Too high. That's actually correct. Wait, I chose an answer. Right, what about this one? And then we move on to something else.
Yes. Yes.
No, it's too much high.
Yes. Yes.
So, if you actually look at it, the correct answer is yes. What's 30 times 9? That'll be roughly 270. And with that in mind, what would it be? Close, which is what's correct. Now, what about this? What would the answer to be this be? Number 200 times 11. What about 200 times 10, which is also close to?
It's too much low.
Too low? That's correct. Now this will be the last one until we move on, unless you guys get it wrong.
Yes.
Yes. Correct. Okay. And that's also the daily backwards. Now, let us move on.
Yes.
Yes. Let's do this one. Then we will. Wait, whoops. Let me do this. Where is Zoom now? Share the screen. And this one. Okay. Now let's go down. Now, here's the final test. What is this?
It's 5,313.
5,313. Is that your final answer? That is absolutely correct. So, what about this one?
5,013.
Yes.
Two thousand 352.
2,352. 2,352. Does anyone else want to check that?
Yeah.
Yes, no, maybe.
230. 2332.
Oh, 2,332. Well, I see no other answers, so let's go with that. Yep, it's incorrect. It's 2352 as the other person said. Let's look at this. See the explanation. There you go. Right? Let's go on. Fully 101 times 2.
It's 2,525.
2,525. You actually realized from my last example of 11 times plus others, and you're absolutely correct. It is 2,000. What about 100 times 88? This one shouldn't be lower.
8,800.
Like this. Correcto mundo. Look at this one.
7,161.
7,000. What? Let's check. Fantastic.
7,161.
Now, this will be the final one. Yes. Maybe. Actually, no, this won't be the final one because I was like, what's these? 2,026. Wait. You sure? I want to double check your answer. Anyways, that's completely maybe the right answer. Anyone else want to check it? Or you want to check your own work just to make sure? Nah, who am I joking? That's completely the right answer. But this one, 496 times 83. $300. You sure? You sure? Triple? Sure?
Yes.
Yes. You actually, I want to say you mistyped. Because if you just look at it, 500 times 80 is already 40,000. I mean, 40,000. Yes, you're at 300,000. I mean, 30,000, not 400,000, 40,000. So, what do you say? You sure you want to check your work? Yeah, now that's the answer. There we go. Wait, now this is the final problem. This should be easy.
Instructor math. I think it's 6,280.
What do you think it is?
6,280.
This problem? 6,000? Well, six times 6 is 36. This both ends with 6, you know, so the first number has to be a 3.
Not my fault. 3,768.
Correct. Now with that though, let's transition back here. First of all, let me copy this. Let me stop sharing for a second. And come here. Let me set this up, and then everything should be done. Oh, let's do this. Wait, I'm so sorry. Wait, I did the wrong. I need to sign up. How do I sign up? Let me go. In. We log in. I'll be right back. I just need to sign in. Alright, now, let us do this.
Teacher, can you share the screen, please?
Yeah,
I know the
I was
answer.
just saying, oh wait, I shared the completely wrong screen. Let's not do that one. Let's do this one. Now let's add text. Anyways, because I just wanted to do this. Because class is completely over. But this is just more a short review. The game code's right here if you want to join. So, yes. It's just a simple review. If you want to do it. Otherwise, you can leave. But yes. I'll say goodbye to everyone who does not want to be here. Goodbye. Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye, Daniel. Bye, Ruth, Julia, Rebecca, Marsha, No. Yes, no, maybe. What? Just give it to you. Thank you, everyone, for the class, and goodbye. Yeah. Why do I not present? Yeah. Wait, yeah. Stop share, and let's end the class for everyone.